You can generate cinematic AI videos in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Runway. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Runway? Straight from the source, we are building foundational general world models that will be capable of simulating all possible worlds and experiences. The next frontier of intelligence will come from models that can understand, perceive, generate, and act in the world. In plain words, it lets you generate cinematic AI videos without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Runway worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, building AI to simulate the world. On top of that, Runway characters upright arrow. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Runway. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Media and entertainment upright arrow. Robotics and autonomy upright arrow. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Runway website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Runway does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to generate cinematic AI videos with Runway in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.